Ang Taknim, thank you for groceries and also from Yung Taknim Kamsamida. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Simon.
Good morning, Teacher Nathan.
So today is your last day of multiplication. Are you done writing? So let's check. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Alright, so you're done. And to confirm, I need to ask you multiplication now. 7, 8,
56,
4, 2,
8,
4, 8,
32,
7, 6,
42,
5, 6.
30.
Very good. So you pass. And I hope next time, di na ma-failed. Ha? Para dili magsuhat og 1 to 30, okay?
Yes.
Goodbye for now, Simon.
Goodbye, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, bye-bye. Morning, Chan.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
So you're done writing multiplication. So today is your last day and we're going to check your notes. Are you done? Sige, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Alright, so you're done. So to confirm, I need to ask you multiplication. Okay? 4, 3,
12,
7, 7,
49,
7, 8,
56,
9, 6,
54,
4, 3.
12.
Alright, very good. So you're done. So I hope next time you won't do the same nga ma-failed. So di ka magsuot og 1 to 30. Ha? So goodbye for now, Chan.
Goodbye, Teacher Nisan.
Bye-bye. Good evening, Bina.
Good evening, Teacher Nisan.
So you're done writing?
Yes.
So let's count this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So I'm going to ask you 5 questions. So for you to able to pass. 4, 3,
12,
6, 4,
24,
7, 6,
42,
8, 6,
48,
7, 2.
14.
So you pass and I hope next time dili mo failed. So ma-practice of times, okay?
Sure.
Goodbye for now, Bina.
Bye, Teacher Nisan.